Hello and a warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is about how to use artificial intelligence, typically on the new ChatGPT 5, using the Canvas module to create any topic, any subject, activities, interactive with sliders for sharing with your kids through Google Classroom or similar. So we start here, we can see something which is possible. This is an IB chemistry one I've done for adaptive mole practice. I prompted it for 8 questions, and those questions would be around mole calculations. I also asked it to differentiate, and if the student gets them correct, all correct, more than 6 out of 8 to make it more difficult, gets less than 4 out of correct to make it easier, and if it's between 4 and 6 to do more at the same level. Because this is generative, this is going to go on forever. This is an infinite amount of questions that the student can actually do. So we can see here from IBDP Chemistry Adaptive Mole Practice, we go down to the bottom, we can check answers, we'll not put any in, we can reveal the answers in here, and then we hit the next set. My data on the right hand side, it gives me my formulas, it gives me the adaptive criteria I put in, and it gives the units and rounding. So how do you do this? It's no more difficult than go to New Chat on your Chat GPT. I'll just stop that there. New Chat. Thank you. There we go. Okay, so / and you can see here we've got a choice, Canvas, and create a 1-page HTML site to, test students on bond enthalpy calculations. You can put any subject here for your subject, or something you want to study, something you want to learn. Okay, 1-page HTML site to test students on bond enthalpy calculations. You must take the syllabus for IB chemistry, SL questions should be, there should be 8 questions. It's the prompt, the artist is the prompting, right? There should be 8 questions, differentiated and responsive to student input. Include answers after student has answered. And that's a fairly weak prompt. I'll show you how to improve that shortly. But if you go into here, what will happen is not a great deal. If you like with the kids now, you expect it instant like that. It's not. It's thinking. It's going into the LLM and thinking deeply about what it can do. Don't shortcut. Don't put quick think. Make it think for a longer time, as I'm doing here. And you can see it's setting up the bond enthalpy quiz. Don't skip that. Let it do it. Let it do its thing. And soon the screen will split into 2 sections. On the right hand side will be called the landing page, which is the canvas, hence it's called Canvas. On the left hand side will be the prompts. You can see it coding. What is this doing? This is a HTML code generating suite. So the only restraint, the thing that's holding you back is you. You can prompt for anything that you want, and this will create it. I've noticed it's very good at maths. It's very good at math style problems. It's not very good at diagrams, so things like Born-Haber cycles for chemistry or reaction mechanisms for organic chemistry. I've not yet cracked that within the Canvas suite. Particularly also for TOK, I've used it for that, and probably half of the activities work, half do not. What does not work? Things where you put lots of buttons in. Sometimes the buttons don't work and you have to fix the code or to rerun it. That's certainly a thing which I've encountered when playing with this. But let's see how it does on this challenge I've given it here.